Hey guys, welcome to our very first podcast episode here at iTechnolabs. You have heard a lot about AI, right? It's in your phone, your car, and even in the apps that you use daily. But have you ever wondered who's been actually doing all this and how? So, today we are giving you behind the scene and look at how our AI team builds real world solutions. So, let's get into it. Today I'm here with Simranpreet, a skilled AI engineer at iTechnolabs who specializes in real-time systems like chatbots, business tools, and smart automation. Hey Simranpreet, good to have you here.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction, Manpreet. It's my pleasure to be here.
So, to get things rolling, let's talk about the most popular terms right now, that is the AI agent. There's a lot of buzz about them, but for a regular business owner, what do these agents actually do? Why people are calling them the future?
Think of AI agent as your digital partners, not just tools, but the autonomous system. What sets them apart is the ability to handle real-time complexity. Imagine an AI agent managing your calendar, your bookings, meetings, sending follow-ups without even lifting a finger. And here's why people are calling them the future, because they are tireless, they are scalable, and constantly improving.
Got it. So let's say the website is already live. So can we still integrate AI in the existing website, or do we have to start from the scratch?
In most of the cases, AI can be integrated into existing website without rebuilding it from the scratch. We usually analyze the current tech stack and then use the APIs or middleware to embed the AI functionalities like chatbots, recommendation engines, or predictive forms. The key is the modular integration, which allow us to upgrade the experience without disrupting the existing website.
All right. Moving to mobile apps, if the app is already live, so can we still integrate AI?
Absolutely. AI can enhance your existing mobile app through features like voice recognition, predictive typing, and user behavior analysis, and there are many more. We typically work with the existing code base and backend to identify the touch base where AI can add their value, such as personalizing content or automatic the user support.
Let's talk about something everyone's curious about. What factors really affect the cost of implementing AI for different business needs? Can a mid-size business even afford it?
So the honest answer is it depends. First question would be, what are you building? A basic chatbot? That's a simple and low cost option. But if you're training a custom model to predict the user behavior, that is a whole different level of complexity. There are other factors like data quality, system integration, and deployment also impact the cost. And there is a saying, no one size fits all price tag. I think this statement is justifying your question.
Makes sense. Let's say a business wants to get started with AI. So, what kind of team do they need?
The typical AI implementation team includes a business analyst to align this solution with their business goal. Nextly, there is a need of data engineer who is going to prepare and structure the data. And the most crucial in an AI project is an AI developer who builds and trains the model. Next, we need a software development for the integration of AI into your existing system. And lastly, there is a need of project manager who keeps the timeline, cost, and scope all under control. And it totally depends upon your internal capabilities. Either you can supplement your team or handle the entire project from end to end.
All right, that was amazing. So, today we learned, but it really goes into building AI from the kind of people involved to how it fits into websites and apps, and even how affordable it can be. So, thanks a lot for sharing all that. I really appreciate your time and efforts.
Thanks for having me here.
So, if you're planning to turn your business ideas into real AI tools, whether you're starting fresh or upgrading an existing app or site, we keep things simple, quick, and result oriented. And yes, we have a solid team of developers who are ready to help you whenever you need. And are you curious how AI can boost your business? Reach us out and our team will help you get started. Like this video and hit the subscribe button and drop your queries in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching the video.